Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to easily enable picture-in-picture on YouTube on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to General. Now tap on Picture-in-Picture. And make sure Start PIP Automatically option is enabled. Now open a browser and go to youtube.com. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now you can name the file as you want. I will name it YouTube PIP and tap Add. And it will be added to my home screen. Now whenever you play a video from this shortcut and then close the shortcut, the video will play on picture-in-picture mode. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.